Sanbanani Dumelang Kuyemore Absheni Bondi. Thank you for watching my show. I'm your host, Boyki Mokesi, the one and only Boyki the Baker. You are watching the Escort. Gule show, guys, I know that the Escort we are talking about the adulting, since inami included guma adulting as a content creator. By the way, angihambi ngedwa ngihamba no Mr. Dlala ngizocela ukuthi athi kundlalele kancane because angihambi ngedwa.
Njengoba seshilo ngidlala amatifana ngavuma ukuthi ngiyodlala, and right now ngihlala khona la kuhlelo the Escort oluthola ku-YouTube ebizwa ngokuthi ke the Escort. Ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, ulike, uphinde futhi ke ushare khona into ishilo uthe uBoyki what?
Boyki the Baker. Yeah, so I'm baking everything, which means I can do everything that you want, I can do it.
Okay.
Yeah.
You also mentioned you would say ngalokuthi uBoyki the Baker.
Yeah.
Uphinde futhi ube-content creator kanjani?
Yeah. Guys, I'm also a content creator. I make a lot of money online with these apps whereby we make money. So yeah, I make money through my videos, my pictures, and I make a lot of cash, more than a person over every day. So yeah. My pictures and videos mostly yeah,
okay.
So
you're showing yourself.
Yeah, you're showing yourself to those
who are interested.
Yeah, who are interested about born, and it's not like nakona about born, they have to pay it. It's all about the money, mula chele, we chasing zaka.
I'm sure now I'm going to say it's really like a bunch of the show is all about what? It's all about abantu abaningi abenza izinto ezifana njengoba desho Boyki. Nawe uma ukuthi ke ulandela lelo hlobo labantu noma wenza umsebenzi kanjalo, usuyabona ke manje ukuthi ekufanele uyenze. Uzohlala nathi la sikhulume nawe, ungacela ukuthi ukhulume nathi nje kuphela, kodwa ubeke udaba lakho, ubeke iside lakho, sizwe kabanje ukuthi yini yakulidela ukuthi uzowenza umsebenzi ofana nalowo.
Yeah. If you still wanna know more, just make sure that you go subscribe on our YouTube channel, you share, you like, you tell your friends to tell their friends and to show their parents the channel yethu ukuthi kahle kahle kungani, what is the Escort ngakho ke kuyindlela eningi ehlukahlukene kukwena ukuthi iyona yiphi part ofuna ukuyibona kahle kahle. Mina ke khona ke ngiphathele yona ukuthi kumele ubuye uzochila no Boyki kini waseLondon mfethu dandukazi.
Sasingakutshela ukuthi kusukela manje uyazi ukuthi yiphi channel ongayibuka uma ufuna ukwazi indaba zabantu abadala. Kusukela manje uyazi ukuthi yiphi channel ongahlala kuyona uma ukuthi ufuna ukwazi ukuthi yini yalidela abantu ukuthi bagcine bema content creators athinta indaba zabantu abadala. Njengoba usibona sikhona la ku YouTube channel yakho ebizwa ngokuthi the Escort, igama lesho lizoba the Escort, and sokwenza isiqiniseko sokuthi angeke liphele isonto singayifakanga i-episode ukuze ubone ukuthi isonto siphethe yiphi content creator izokhuluma udaba layo lihamba kanjani.
Subscribe, like, share, and comment. No under 18, but just come back uzochila nathi uzozwa more ukuthi i-Escort yini, and kuningi kodwa sikuphathele sokutshela futhi sokuchazela.
Asingabe sisakhuluma kakhulu, nekumele ukwenze nje ukwenza njengoba seshilo, ulike, usubscribe, uphinde ushare i-channel. Khumbula igama lami ngikudlala amatifana, and I am the next big thing in KZN. Ukhona uBoyki soba khona, senze isiqiniseko sokuthi wena uyajabula lapho ngasekhaya. Siyazi ke indaba zabantu abadala ukuthi ngiyazithanda, ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi izinto eziningi zenziwa kanjani. I'm
here with Udlala, and we're gonna dlala for you. Just stay tuned and subscribe and share our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Yeah. I know, I want to eat shop.
This is
But they say you might have to check.